Okay, welcome to another Clojure Diary video. So in this video, I'm going to show you okay, how to do GraphQL with curl and how to receive it in Clojure. So I think this is going to be a multi-part video because all I'm just doing is just returning the GraphQL. So sorry, yeah, receiving it Clojure and that too in Clojure ring, right? So that's how it is. So like, okay, I'll just show you a simple GraphQL query. So this is how you just do it in curl, right? So, um, curl, curl hyphen x post. So every GraphQL request is a post request. So when Facebook defined it, look, everybody, a lot of people don't know what get, put, post, patch and what to say other thing is delete are. So like even if you're deleting stuff, the Facebook specification for GraphQL is post. Apart from post, you don't do anything, right? So that's the thing. And oops, okay, let me just put control L. Yeah, fine. And then yeah, like you just say like the content type is application JSON, right? You will be receiving JSON, but I don't think GraphQL is a real. I don't think so. Okay, yeah, this looks like JSON, but yeah, like I don't think that's a real JSON. That's my opinion, but I could be wrong. Okay, so that's the thing. And yeah, you just pass this parameters as hyphen D, and I don't know why it's not hyphen P and hyphen D. So I don't know curl for. I'm not expert in curl, so but I just go by the documentation. So and you just pass this query over here, right, as a key, and the value is the GraphQL statement, right? So that's how it is, and you'll just hit the URL. So let me run my leans. That is my ring server. Okay, so this is how you just run it. Lean ring server headless. Yeah, I'll just put this commit. I'll just put the source code in the notes so that you can just take it and run it. So that's the thing. And this is part of a bigger project. What I'm just doing, right? So yeah. Now all what I'm just doing is like curl post, and I'm just giving the query. So and of course, I know the server runs on this address and the endpoint is GraphQL. And the GraphQL is defined where over here. Right. So that's how it is. And all I'm just saying is status 200. Yeah, everything went okay. And I'm just returning the params as body. Okay, so that's the thing. So yeah. Now let's see what happens. Yeah, I just get query hello. So this is the params. Okay. And yeah, and there is another case. Okay, so like I'm in a directory, right? And like okay, I have developed a script where you can send GraphQL queries. Okay, so there is another way to do it. So okay, like here you can see a query, and this has a placeholder like ID and all those stuff. Okay, user ID and all those stuff. Okay, so I think only one placeholder. Okay, so and this is the GraphQL query, but this has this JSON stuff. Okay, like cat variables.json. So this is the user ID, and this needs to be substituted over here. Okay, so yeah, so that's how it is. And yeah, so how to give this GraphQL query? So like, let me just open this girl, right? So girl script. Girl means GraphQL on curl, right? So that's the thing, right? And got opened, yeah. So this is it. So all you're just doing is you're just receiving two files. So the one is the GraphQL file, and another one is the variables file, and another one is the endpoint. So the first is the GraphQL file, next is the endpoint. And if you have variables, you can give it. Okay, so that's the thing. And yeah, so this is how the payload is. Okay, so query is being inserted over here, and then there is another thing like variables. So before you saw only query over here, right? So another thing will be here like called variables, and these variables will be inserted, and it's up to the GraphQL server to what to say merge this query and variables and do it. So those will be done in upcoming videos. Okay, so that's the thing, right? So yeah. that's how it is, and this is how this script works. So like, yeah, so let me just what to say, like give this girl, right? And then query, and then HTTP localhost 4125 and GraphQL, right? And then you have these variables, and hopefully this should work. Okay, so yeah, I've just get this. Okay, query, get user ID, and all those things, and the return, I just need ID, name, email, and the user post title and body, just like this one, right? And then variables is his user ID. Maybe there is a thing called JQ you can pass to it. Okay, so JQ is, they in their website say like it is like a set for JSON, okay, and it'll format it and do all those stuff. Okay, so this looks a little bit more better, right, compared to this output. So it's better to pass to JQ. So what is JQ? Okay, so I think I should be having my, yeah, this is the girl, right? Okay, so maybe you can download it and use it like this one, right? So that's the thing, right? Okay, like I'll also put documentation to install it so that you can just use like how I'm using like girl and all those things. Okay, so that's the thing. But yeah, I'm lazy and like I won't be doing it maybe, and I will tell I will do it. So like you need to take with a truckload of salt. Okay, so that's the thing. So okay, so this is the script, and okay, like yeah, we came here for JQ. So this is uh JQ. Okay, so you can install it. I think in Mac it's brew install JQ, and you have many ways to do it, and so that's how it is, right? Maybe you can just Google like how to install JQ on Ubuntu. So like you can do it, and you'll get a better thing. Okay, so mm, okay, let's go to this one. Okay, it's just sudo apt-get install JQ. So that's yeah, I think that's it. Like okay, yeah, that's it. So no more fuss, like no more going, clicking, downloading. And in Mac, it's brew install JQ. Look, even though I use Mac, I really don't like Mac for personal reasons. Okay, so that's the thing, because a lot of things in it is proprietary, and I'm more of a free software guy. But yeah, like but yeah, I just use it, and because at one time I need to buy a Mac to do a machine learning stuff, and it's costly. I don't want to throw it out. Right. So that's the thing. So yeah, this is how you just do GraphQL, and in subsequent videos I'll show how to process this query. So first, what I just need to do is I need to substitute this over here, and then process it and all those things, blah blah, and that's the thing. Right? So yeah, this is how you start with curl, using curl to generate GraphQL request, and maybe you can use my tool girl and maybe write to me so that like I'll feel proud or something like that. And this is how you just deal with GraphQL in your Ring app, right? So it is just a post. That's it, post, and you just receive it in params, okay? And you just have this query and values in params. That's it. So as simple as that. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, I think this video would have been useful for you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Until we meet in next video. Bye.